6th of October. Just came up from my meal break. We had a wildfire black this passed by the house. Okay. Right. This thing is still there. Beaming in our heads. This is an attack every night. Okay. And the best part is we get aviation. Flying. They say fly above my house. Okay. Where they spray the nano dust. It's spraying just right above my head. They just had a back of me all gang stalkers. Okay. Shot my back the whole day. They are working on my back, my head. Okay. PDRM, do something. All this video is gonna go viral soon.